Hi, I'm Maylan PEDRAGOZA, and I'm here to discuss test evaluation, validity and reliability tests, and Torator reliability tests. According to Macmillan, validity, reliability, and fairness are the three criteria that form the pillars of good assessment. But we will focus on these two since they are especially critical because they address the accuracy and appropriateness of the scores you get from each assessment. Macmillan used these two in the context of the signal and the noise. The signal is what you want to assess for it represents the actual nature of what students know and can do. For example, if you teach your student to add three-digit number with carryover, then the test that you must construct or administer is to add three-digit numbers with carryover, and that is a valid test. While deviating from this will create a noise, and that would make your test invalid. Thus, validity is concerned with the soundness, trustworthiness, or legitimacy of the claims or inferences that are made on the basis of obtained score. Additionally, it has to do with the quality of the inference you make from the score, not just the test itself. Sources of evidence for classroom assessment validity. One is content-related evidence. So here, the extent to which the assessment is a representative of the domain of interest. So dito kukuha ka lang ng sample, for example, one or two quizzes na magiging representative ng knowledge ng mga student for the whole unit. Number two is the criterion-related evidence. Ano naman to? Is the relationship between an assessment and another measure of the same trait. For example, dito, in-observe mo yung mga estudyante mo mag-use ng microscope. So, in-assess mo sila doon. Then, eventually, binigyan mo rin sila ng quiz for using the microscope. Step by step using microscope. So, parehong nakuha nilang score. So, yun yung tinatawag na criterion-related evidence. Yung number three naman is consequential evidence. So, what's this naman? This is the extent to which the assessment leads to a reasonable expected and unexpected outcome. So when you administer assessment that challenge the students, you are more likely to engage them. All right, for our next topic, reliability. Reliability is the characteristic of sound assessment. For classroom observation or classroom assessment, reliability refers to the extent to which the scores are free from error. Example, teacher A gives 20 items quiz for addition and subtraction. For quiz 1, Rob, Kerry, Ryan, and Felix got 18, 10, 9, and 16. And for quiz 1 sa subtraction, 13, 18, 8, and 7. For the next 2 days, nagbigay na naman si Teacher A para makasiguro siya na kung nakuha talaga ng mga student niya yung ability. So, quiz 2, ang score nila, Rob, Kerry, Ryan, and Felix ay 16, 12, 8, and 15. So, if observe natin, medyo konting-konti lang yung discrepancy ng score and that would make their test reliable. Yung reliable yung test ni Teacher A. So sa subtraction, kung titingnan naman natin, is ang laki ng discrepancy doon sa quiz 2, which is 20, 10, 14, 12. Ang laki. So that would make Teacher A test unreliable. So how is reliability or precision determined for classroom assessment? Reliability or precision in classroom assessment is unique because teachers use results from the assessment to make instructional decisions. Thus, classroom assessment reliability is a combination of measurement, error, as previously described, and instructional decision making. For our last topic, Iterator reliability test. It measures the degree of agreement between different people observing or assessing the same thing. It is used as a way to assess the reliability of answer produced by different items on a test. It answers the question, is the rating system consistent? High iterator reliability means multiple raters rating for the same item are consistent, while low reliability means they are inconsistent. Example on the next slide. All right, there are two common ways to measure iterator reliability. One is percent agreement. It calculates the percentage of items that the judges agree on. For example, suppose two judges are asked to rate the difficulty of 10 items on a test. From a scale of 1 to 3, the results are shown on the right. So yan, question 1, judge 1, 1, 1, 1. So, i-measure po natin yan. So, calculating percent agreement. For each question, we can write 1 if the two judges agree and 0 if they don't agree. So, in this example, sa question 1, judge 2, they agree, susulat natin 1. Sa question 3, ang judge 1 is 2 and judge 2 is 3. So, susulat natin ang 0. So, in summary, the percentage of question the judges agree on this table was 7/10 or 70%. Another way is through Cohen's kappa. So ano naman to? It calculates the percentage of items that the raters agree on while accounting for the fact that the raters may happen to agree on some items purely by chance. So ito po yung formula ng Cohen's kappa. Yan. So Cohen's kappa always ranges between 0 and 1, with 0 indicating no agreement between raters and 1 indicating perfect agreement between raters. So how to interpret inter-rater reliability? The higher the inter-rater reliability, the more consistently multiple judges rate items or question on a test with similar scores. In general, an inter-rater agreement of at least 75% is required in most fields for a test to be considered reliable. However, higher inter-rater reliability may be needed in specific fields. Concluding my discussion, I want to leave this quote from John Wooden: without proper self-evaluation, failure is inevitable. Thank you for listening. This is Maylan PEDRAGOZA.